No. No. You gotta put the spoon back. Is that all? All done? All done? Oh, good girl. Oh, okay, that's all.
That's
all done. All done. All done. She's got too much. Okay, after that, no more. She's good. Okay, all done. Now put the spoon in. Put the spoon back. Now close the top. Good girl. No, leave it there. No. Close the lid. Close this. Look. No, watch. I'll show you. I'll show you. Watch. Put it in the bowl. Okay, now push it. Push it back. Push it over there. Push it back over there. No more. You don't need no more. There you go. Push it back. No, push it back. That way. Over there, look. Over there, look. Over there. Okay, all done. All done.
Bring your thing back, honey.
Layla, look. Full of mufflers.
That's enough, Layla. That's enough, Mama. Just close the lid, and we'll put it back in the cabinet. It's okay. Just. That's okay. Just close it.
I think our cards are more now. Some more now. It's $10 now.
No, don't take him out of there. All right. Watch out, Cass.
So cheap.
Layla, look.
But they still don't charge you more
Are you feeding Cassie?
coverage at work.
Huh?
Right? So $10.
Okay, all done. Let's push it into the cabinet.
Now put it away, honey.
All done.
Okay, bring in your cap, Layla.
Come on, Layla. No more. Come on.
We're done.
Layla. No more.
Come on, Layla. Bring it back.
Okay, put the spoon in there. Put it in there. Leave it in there.
Okay, you give her that. Oh, now look what you did. Now you take it from her.